Good day. Today's video, we're demonstrating the South African made magazine reloader for the FN FAL. In the early 1960s, when the FN was commissioned, every soldier was only issued with one magazine. There was a major shortage. This specific magazine was made here in South Africa by the Raleigh Bicycle Company. And it accompanied this reloader, although I think the first magazines were most probably imported from Belgium. So what the innovative South Africans did, they recommissioned the bandoliers, which they were already using for the number 4 Mark 1 Lee Enfield rifle. So yes, let me just unbend this clip, and there was a 5-round stripper clip, as can be seen here, similar to what was issued with a Lee Enfield 303, and this fitted into the magazine loader. It was then fitted on top of the magazine and pressed down into the magazine to load it. For some reason I'm not coming right with this. There you are. And then you would simply remove the loader on the top of the magazine. Yeah, this was supposed to be a disposable bandolier, although I'm sure they were reused. And just for a point of interest, here is one of the boxes of FN ammunition, as was exported with the FN FALs in the early 1960s, before local production started at the SA Mint for the South African Defence Force. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Watch this channel for more interesting videos.